Okay, we've had requests for a walk around video on this nice 40 horsepower John Deere 990, so I'm going to do that. Here in a little while I'll try to pop the hood by myself here. And here's the front tires, and we'll do this hood thing first. Down here, there we go. There we go. So here's the engine from that side, clean looking. Look down here in the battery tray, looks good there, and air filter there, radiator. This is pre-emission, so don't have to worry about that. Go up here, close this. There we go. Continue to walk around here. We're in the back of our shop in our shipping area. There's the operator area. Looks, sheet metal is all good. Rear tires, good tread. Come back here, look at the back area. 3-point hitch area. Just come back around and start it. Just hit the starter. We are going to do a video of it operating a 6-foot cutter here in a little while. So there you go. Perfect sounding Yanmar diesel engine. And give us a call here at Tractor Town. Thank you.